Sabratans, very quick update video. What is happening with Bitcoin right now? We will talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about Bitcoin and altcoins, about potential altcoin season. I want to show you a chart, and also obviously about the stock market, S&P 500, because they connect with each other. But before, I want to show you yesterday's video, and then we are going to the charts, which I did yesterday. 500 resistance. So I will take at 44,500 resist some profits, but you can take also at 44,200 some profits, right? So sorry for that. It's very dirty. I have to clean it. So I said at 44,500 I will take some profits, and at 44,200 I would recommend to take some if you're in a long position. And let's go into the charts. And guys, man, I know it's crazy, but I don't regulate the market. It is because of the resistance which I saw in previous, right? And look at this. At 44,200 we faced some resistance, right? You see here we perfect got rejected 44,200, and at 44,500 it was not exactly at 44,500, not to the dollar, but 44,420, 44,437 or something. So 44,500. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. And right now we see some consolidation. And now I show you also my trade. So I am still in profit, obviously 100% in profit with Bitcoin right now, with my Bitcoin position. Luna position is 28% minus, but it's no problem. I'm pretty sure Luna will also pump. It's a matter of time. So Bitcoin is 100% profit with $1,000 in profit approximately, and on Bybit I'm also 22% profit, $228 in profit. And I also wanted to thank you, because here, for example, Dojan Mars wrote pure profits, thank to you, great videos, you're the best in the business. Or Niels wrote, because of these updates I am making a lot of money right now. Thanks, man, love you. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate really this comment. So if you make profits or if you have some feedback, please write it, because it's really motivating me, right? And if you also want to trade, guys, and don't use, for example, your money, you can claim your bonus at 8,200 for free after initial deposit on Bybit and Phoenix. This where I'm also trading here. You saw here on Phoenix, for example, or where is it? Or here on Bybit. I would recommend on Bybit to trade. You see, you can claim your bonus. It's 1 minute registration. Where is it, man? What the fuck? Yeah, it's 1 minute registration. You can use the bonus 8,200 for trading. If you're not professional trader, you can use this 8,200 just to buying through spot after initial deposit. Very important on Bybit and Phoenix. Link is down below, right? So let's talk about what I'm expecting right now to happen. So we are right now. Let's technically, if we are watching, we are forming a bull flag, right? It's pretty obvious. It's from the down to the upside. You measure it to make another. Which color we make, guys? Which color? Make this one maybe. If we measure it from the top to the bottom, you see it will reach nearly exactly this huge resistance line, this daily resistance line. Let me check it. This daily resistance line is right now at 44,650 approximately, right? Yes. So it should reach, right? But I want to warn you, it could be that we reach it, and you can still have open your trade. It's still I mean, let me check. It's still 3%. Wow. So it's on 10x average 30, on 5x average 15%. But be very careful. Make your entry position right now. We see small pump. Take the entry position to take a stop loss position to your entry position. So if we're going down, you don't get wrecked, right? Very important that. Right now, I need a little bit more volume, and very important to watch right now. We are heavily overbought on the 4 hourly, right? We are overbought, and on the 1 hourly a little bit overbought, but in my opinion, we have to see. Yes, we can see this pump to 45,500, 45,600, but we need some consolidation or small dump, that because it has to be a little bit cooled down, right? So watch for this out, please, guys, and don't get in panic if we see right now some consolidation or even a pump to our you see here we have this. It's crazy, guys. Look, I didn't redraw the line. You know, this channel I draw a few days ago, and it's perfectly. You see how it perfectly respect the lines. And if we see dump to 42,700 or a week down to 40,500 even, because the whales want to shit in our face and liquidate all our longs, it would be okay for me. Even it would be very healthy, because right now you see we are heavily overbought on the 4-hourly, and we need to see some you understand, some cool down. And we see here also a small, we could see it's not confirmed yet, but a small hidden bearish divergence. So please beware of it. Make your entry or your liquidation, your stop loss to your entry position, so you don't get wrecked. And if you took here some profits, congratulations to you guys, and congratulations if you took all this trade. And like I said, I think it could be that we see here pump to 44,500, 45,500, 45,600, that we have a little bit of momentum, but we have to see a little bit cool down. This is on Bitcoin right now, right? And yesterday, let me watch also how we closed the daily yesterday, because I didn't watch it. Yes, we closed yesterday a nice daily with not too much volume, but yet it's okay. We are above the daily EMA ribbon, so it looks everything very healthy and very okay. If we see some consolidation, it's also very okay. And we are in that still this perfect rising symmetrical triangle. This is a bullish pattern, and the technical price target would be approximately, I mean, if I measure it from here to here, or let me measure a little bit conservative. This. The price tag would be approximately 55,000, 55,700, 55,000. Let's say 55,000. But we have to close. We have to see here. Really, I need here to see a big candle, a big green candle with a big volume daily closing above the and maybe even a second one that I get bullish, that we see 55,000, yes, because there's coming a lot of resistance, 48,000, blah blah, and so on. But I will speak about that resistance if we close above that yellow resistance line, then we can speak about it. Right now I speaking about immediate short term, about the 4-hourlies, right? So this is important. But you know what very nice, what I like, that there's not a one pump, you know, because if we see one, two, you see here 1, 2, 3 candles, a huge pump, usually what we see after a huge dump. And right now it's like, you know, it's a little bit boring, and I see it on the views also, my views and all the views from all our crypto people falling down, because people are bored. But you see, it's a little bit, we step by step we are consolidation, small dump pump, consolidation, small dump pump, but we can create we constantly higher highs and higher lows, and this is very important, and this makes me very happy. And we take advantage, I mean, man, we take advantage from here, you know, from here to here already. So therefore I am also 100% in profit, like you see here, right? So it's it's very nice. It's very nice, and it's very nice to see it, that you also take some profits, because everyone who is registered through that link, through that Bybit link, for example, you are like, this is my affiliate link, and I see also, therefore is it also very good to sign up through my link. I see also how huge profits you make. I see when you make huge profits, you know, it's very nice, and you can use this bonus for trading. It's nice to see that not only me make profits, also you guys. It makes me very happy. So let's sorry for that, I'm talking right now too much. Let's go quickly to the S&P 500. We have here some we broke about that resistance, very bullish, and right now it's very important creating we here a double top and see huge dump. Then we see also a huge dump in crypto market. This is the stock S&P 500. If we create here double top, this would be not good, but we can go down. Very important not to break that resistance line, which will be support line, right? Or will we see a pump to the next resistance at 4,000 4,585, right? This is what we have to watch. Stock market will open 9:30, because if you see here pump, we will see also pump at the crypto market. Bitcoin will pump to 55,000 and all the altcoins will pump. Also, I want to speak with you about the Bitcoin dominance chart, because Bitcoin dominance charts show you, if we see here pump, Bitcoin is leading, so Bitcoin outperforming altcoins. If we see dump, altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. And right now, I told you we are getting rejected at yellow line. And look at this, we see small dump right now, and you see also some coins outperforming Bitcoin, like for example Cardano, right? Cardano finally saw a pump, right? We can speak also about Cardano. There's very important line which we broke. Cardano outperforming Bitcoin. And guys, I told you, the crazy thing is, go in the videos. I had to show you here on the videos, but if you watch a video 2 or 3 days even ago, I told you about we are getting rejected. Watch for some altcoins which have news or some milestones reaching, like Cardano, for example. They will outperform Bitcoin. And this is exactly what happened right now. You see, we are dumping. And what is very also good, we are closing under the EMA ribbon, daily EMA ribbon of total crypto market cap, right? So if we see further dump, this will mean Bitcoin will highly outperform altcoins will highly outperform Bitcoin, because yes, if we're falling down, and like it now seems we are closing under the EMA ribbon, this makes me very bullish on altcoins, right? So it's still not too late to watch for some altcoins like Radium. You remember Radium? I showed you Radium make like 30% since I mentioned it. It was 3 days ago. You can also watch a video, top 5 coins for bull run, I made on my crypto channel. Maybe I'll show you also quickly. It's wait a minute, you can see it here. It was here, you see, top 5 coins 2 days ago. Watch this video. There are 5 coins which, if we are going in bull run, they will highly outperform, in my opinion. Do your own research, but my opinion. But also Radium outperformed, AVEX is going to the moon, AV also right now. It's really really important that you watch these videos, guys. And you can buy also all these altcoins on Bybit or Phoenix. Link is down below, and you can buy it, for example, with this bonus at 8,200. After your initial deposit, you get this bonus, right? Because obviously they want something. So link is down below, guys. Let me check. I think we spoke all about Ethereum. Also, I told you guys about Ethereum that we will face some resistance at just a moment, at 3,185. Yeah, we nearly reached to 3,140. It's not to the dollar, but we reached it also because Bitcoin outperformed it. So it's very nice. Technical price target, we are broke out of that descending broadening wedge. It's a very bullish pattern. Technically, price target would be at Ethereum right now 4,117, but we have to watch what will Bitcoin do. This technical price target we only will reach if we see Bitcoin at least consolidating, but not if Bitcoin will dump, right? And the next resistance is obviously, yes, 3,250. Next is 3,360, right? Because here you see here some resistance, you see here some resistance and support. Yeah. Please watch this, very important if you are an Ethereum trade. Cardano, I want to speak also about Cardano quickly, because if we are watching on a daily, we see that descending channel, or we could set as a falling wedge or descending channel. I would say it's more of a descending channel. Falling wedge price target would be the previous top $3, right? But I would say descending channel, and right now we are finally breaking out. We closed 2 dailies above that channel, so this makes me very bullish on Cardano, right? So right now our next resistance will be $1.25, but it could be that we are going to retest that support, and after it we are going up, right? But it will not be like a moonshot like this. It's it's some consolidation pump, and everything depends also on Bitcoin, obviously, right? So also, for example, if you want to buy Cardano, you can also use the link down below on Bybit and Phoenix and use this bonus 8,200 for free after initial deposit to buy, for example, also Cardano without risk on spot if you're not professional trader. On altcoins, be very careful with leverage trading, very careful leverage trading. At leverage trading at all, you have to be careful, because if you use more than 5 to 10x leverage, you will get liquidated and lose everything. Don't trade with more than 1% of your whole portfolio. So guys, I think I told you everything. So Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, or all the other altcoins you can buy, not all but mostly, on Bybit Phoenix. Link is down below. I'm expecting that we will see at Bitcoin some consolidation or some dump, because we are the 4-hourly overbought, right? But we can also see it to 45,000, but at least not at least, how it's called, but at 45,000 we will see 100% some consolidation or some dump, because we are heavily overbought on the 4-hourly. I am, like I said, still in my positions. You see here 22% profit, here 101% profit, $1,000 in profit. So all in all, something about $1,200 in profits right now. Yes. Have you any questions, guys? And please, if you make some profits, like here, our bratans, for example, wait, what is happening here? Like here, our brother Niels, because of this upside, making a lot of money right now. Thanks, man. Love you. Please write down below. It makes me very happy. And yes, subscribe and like, obviously, right? Guys, I kiss you, and I see you later in the evening.